Hey, Spencer here with Trevor, and we're going to do some insane goaltending skills for mini sticks. And we've also changed our YouTube name to Yeti Dog 97. So if you're looking for our videos, we're going to put pretty cool videos like how to do stuff and just some awesome, sweet videos like this one. So just go to Yeti Dog 97. You'll see our videos. So here we go. And the net is, Trevor, explain that.
That's from here to about where the camera ends, right here. And we're just going to see how many saves I can make. Let's go back up a little bit further.
Okay, so I'm going to be trying. It's a good save.
Oh, I dropped my stick. I always do that where I'm going to drop it.
And me and Trevor are both hockey players, and
Both play high-tier hockey. Both play pretty high level.
And we both love all sports, so another good save. Trevor and I are going for our, well, we call it Tier 1 tryouts in the winter, looking to make that team. Well, that's a nice save. Trevor, he's like the goaltender that I can't believe I can never score on. Oh, almost got that one by.
Probably do one with road hockey too. He can't get it by me in road hockey. I made one save where it's like he shot it. I hit with my blocker and then I fell over backwards and he shot it right here. I just gloved it.
Trevor's a good goalie, but
it was crazy.
But he's also a good player. He says he's I scored. He says he's a very hard hitter, and
I like that.
Oh, got that one by 2.
I should have put my stick there. That sucked.
Oh, got that one by 2.
Bounced over me. Jeez.
He's a good
problem with this ball. It bounces so easy.
Yeah, it's a bouncy ball, but no matter.
I missed.
And I scored. Oh, easy save. And CFL is starting. The preseason just went on.
That hurt.
You can send your comments and see who you're cheering for and who's going to win the Grey Cup. I'm going for BC this year, even though I feel my team. The teams just got worse, I thought. Edmonton Eskimos gave away the best quarterback, one of the best quarterbacks.
Arguably the best quarterback in CFL football right now.
Like Lule, Calvillo, and Ray are top 3, definitely.
I say Toronto could be Grey Cup contenders too.
I'm saying BC and Toronto, and we can give you more predictions after that. Just maybe do some. And that was a good save. NFL, NHL 2012 or NFL 2012.
I've got to say the Packers are going to get better. 13-3. What Spencer said in his predictions video. I honestly think that you're just supposed to improve in the draft. I say either another 15-1 or 14. I say 14 wins to 16 wins.
I doubt 16 though, highly.
Yes, and it would be fun to watch though. It would be.
I think the Packers are an excellent team, but they slipped in the playoffs. I think they got over cocky.
No, I don't think it was cockiness. I think it was a matter of they made a mistake benching Aaron Rodgers in the final game. It kind of set the team off.
Like resting, yeah, that helps the team sometimes, but not a lot. So, yeah, and we're going to go. And
all right, one more shot. And
also, right before we leave,
one more shot.
Winnipeg Blue Bombers, I like their team. They lost in the Grey Cup, but they have I think they got worse, and they have a chance of not making the playoffs even. So it's going to be close.
The Riders aren't going to make the playoffs.
Yeah, Riders and I don't think Bombers. I think it might be Hamilton or Bombers for the thing.
All right, I'm Trevor Morris.
I'm Spencer, and we're going to get some more.